By the way, she's still a quarrel.
No.
She's still a quarrel.
Me still a quarrel, yes. Me defend the youths. So, claiming your man or woman as your significant other before a year of dating. Yay or nay? Sometime all 10 years of dating, you can't claim them. But anyway, MadameNoir.com shares reasons why we should wait a year before claiming
What's
them.
the significance in a year? Why not 6 months? Why not 2 years? Why a year? All right. It says...
you don't know him.
In your first year dating someone, you get to understand who they are in detail. 12 months is a good amount of time to see how your significant other reacts to stress, pressure, anxiety, and fear. It's just enough togetherness to discover your compatibility when it comes to values.
How they react to stress, pressure, anxiety, and fear. Them not say if he lie, if he wicked, if he mean. No, about stress, anxiety, and fear.
All right, so here are some reasons. The first one is...
you don't know him.
I know it feels like your souls have been intertwined in this life and the life before, but the reality check of it all is you don't know who this guy is.
Or girl.
The person has a range of experiences, encounters, wounds, and triggers that comes with pretty package. It's important to get to know his history organically before you commit to carrying it with him. Sound like a food you're talking about. So yeah, what is my organic history as opposed to...
Like I could have said, Neville is such a nice gentleman and a quiet person. And then we go somewhere and somebody says something and you just get mad. I mean, I say, hold on, I'm a madman this.
That's my organic.
I say, when him go out, him don't know if he behave himself.
Okay. The next one is avoid social media embarrassment.
Yeah.
What do you say about that?
Means I put up and I say, bae goals and relationship goals and we take picture. And then some happen, I have to start delete all of the picture them. And people say, wait, want to bae, want to you and bae. And I say, him, Facebook people, him
by
is
the
wicked.
way, when this word come in,
bae.
How when that come in?
I wish it would go.
How when it come? I mean, no, bae. Helps manage your own expectations. Dating is to get to know someone. Boyfriend means we know enough about each other to invest in building the relationship while shutting out other options. Fiancé means we have agreed to grow together forever. Married means we are now growing together forever. So let each phase
have its grace. So the 1 year is, him a look you. Man a boyfriend yet. 1 year is, we are looking each other.
I still don't know why we have to wait.
So them say, Dada, who is that guy? I say, him a look me.
But me can find out all
what
the things.
Marvin?
Listen to me now, man. All the things that I can find out in 12 months. Why I can't find out in 6 months?
Because people sometimes
6 months
don't want to show you the worst side of them. So you see somebody that you like. You're not going to want to show them the very worst side of you.
But 6 months.
Because you want them to think the best of you. But how long can you keep in the worst side of you?
6 months is long. If I don't know you in 6
yes,
months, I'm not going to
some man wicked like Marvin in all 3 years, you don't know, so that's how you stay.
Wait, the tune where Teddy Pendergrass sing.
Marvin.
If you don't know me by now. No, I don't hear him did wait to sing that
Of course.
tune. No,
of
6
course.
months him take for sing that tune. Talk is cheap. Don't you want to see the man do the things he said he's going to do?
Amen.
So much of the beginning of our courtships are all talk.
Tell everything.
A year gives your significant other a chance to do.
That's
he says,
right.
I love you. But how does he show it? He says, I'll always support you. But where is he when you lose your job?
Yeah.
Don't miss it. We ain't no stop your eyes, man. Stop. I'm trying to read it. So,
he said, baby, you see, if I get a better job, if I have a better job, you wouldn't even have to work.
But how you know?
And then him get a better job.
And you still have to work.
And you call him phone and him say, you know him get a better job, so him gonna look a better girl.
No, because him know you want to come take him salary. But listen to me now. Suppose after 5 minutes you lose the work. And I say, babe, no, I'm not use that word. But just say, honey, it's not a problem. Come, I will look after you until you get another job. And it's 5 months that you don't have to wait for a year.
Yeah, but give yourself some time.
Make sure it's reciprocal.
And if I tell you.
Tell me.
Because you there just call him boyfriend and them say, Dele, who is that? Neville, that's my boyfriend. I would never go on the call him. Say, Neville, me see with Dele, who is that? And him say, you know,
Mrs. String.
Yeah, Mrs. String. Yes. So make sure that with the level of the relationship.
So you think I would do that to you? You think I would know
Do you want, tell me which answer you want.
Wait,
you want the answer you want the viewers to hear, or you want the truth?
No, I want the truth, but let me ask you a question first. Do you think
honey?
I would know that you are telling people that I'm your boyfriend and I say she's my sister? Do you think I would do that? Me personally.
You wouldn't do that. What you would say is, I don't know, why should I tell people that I'm your boyfriend?
Will I just say, do you say that?
Yes.
I say, okay, then we have to go make it happen. Speak it into being.
Yes,
Speak it into being. Likelihood of breaking up decreases after a year. No go so.
I think it increased.
Thank you. After a year and I find out, say, oh, as such a real estate, well, goodbye. My God, I'm not caught.
Some of them tired to put on the facade in them. Say, Lord have mercy, me can't take this no more, yeah, man. Make sure go on.
In all of that, I would suggest, I don't know if 12 months is the right time or the wrong time, but I would suggest that you really should get to know each other.
Spend some time.
Before you start run up and down and ball out, say, well,
spend some time.
It's me and she. But I don't know if it's 12 months. It could be more than 12 months, could be less.
Yeah.
But I don't know if there's an exact time.
Wait until you're comfortable.
Yeah, that I will agree with the fact that you really need to get to know each other before you start.
How long have we been working with Aubrey? And I still don't know Aubrey.
Well, I know him. And I know, say.
Don't date him.
I'm a virgin man. Me and him go have a little drink. Yes. I don't know. When you know me talk already, me different from everybody. Me and the boss can go have a little drink. It's not a date.
Little drink?
Me and
you
the virgin.
And you not drink?
Eh?
And you not drink?
Let me not drink a juice and thing and the boss.
Aubrey drink water?
Well, anything
Aubrey can't. I told you not drink.
Aubrey, you not drink? That's all look away for me. I sit down and I drink
water.
That's all look away. But they say, what to them two, man? I let them come here for the last spend no money in the bar.
If I'm a bartender, I wouldn't serve you. No.
All right.